Hey, my friend, let me ask you something. Have you ever started a new habit and then stopped after 3 days? Yeah, me too. I remember one year I said, Henry, you will wake up early, every day. And guess what happened? Day 1. Great. Day 2. Okay. Day 3. Nope. Day 4. I slept like a rock. You know that feeling, right? We want to change. We want to grow. But life is busy. Our brain is tired. And English? Oh, wow. English feels big. English feels heavy. English feels like a mountain. But here's the fun part. A mountain is not scary when you take one small step. Just one. And then another. And then another. And that is what today is about. Simple steps. Small steps. Easy steps. Steps you can take every single day to improve your English. I'm Henry. Welcome to Confident English Cast. I'm so happy you're here. I'm proud of you for learning English today. You showed up. That is brave. That is amazing. Before we start, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This helps the podcast grow, and it helps more learners, just like you, find confidence in English. Okay? Ready? Let's begin. Topic Introduction. Today we talk about how to improve your English every day. Not once a week. Not only on weekends. Not only when you feel ready. Every single day. And don't worry, I will not ask you to study for 3 hours. I will not ask you to buy 10 books. I will not ask you to memorize 2,000 words. No. We go simple. We go light. We go easy. Why? Because small things work. Small things build strong habits. Small things feel safe. Small things feel possible. And when things feel possible, we keep going. So today, I will give you clear ideas, simple examples, daily habits, real-life uses, and a lot of motivation. By the end, you will know exactly what to do every day. Sound good? Let's break it down. Clear explanation of the main idea. Here's the main idea. Your brain learns English through daily contact. Daily contact means you hear English, you read English, you say English, you think English. Not for long, just a little. Every day. Do you brush your teeth every day? Of course. Even if you are tired, even if you are busy, even if you don't want to. Why? Because it is small and automatic. English can be the same. English can be your small daily habit. English can be your little snack. not your big dinner. So instead of saying, I will study 2 hours on Sunday, say, I will do 10 minutes today. 10 minutes is easy. 10 minutes is light. 10 minutes is friendly. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours one day. Your brain likes routine. Your brain likes rhythm. Your brain likes small wins. And that's the heart of today's lesson. Daily, simple, small English practice. Let's go deeper. Step-by-step tips, methods, and exercises. Here are 5 simple daily habits you can use. They are easy. They are short. They are powerful. Tip 1. Listen to 5 minutes of English. Every morning. Why morning? Because your brain is fresh. Your brain is open. Your brain is quiet. 5 minutes is enough. You can listen to this podcast, a short YouTube lesson, a simple English story, slow English, news, a small conversation. Example: you wake up. You wash your face. You play 1 5-minute English audio. That's it. 5 minutes equals progress. Ask yourself, can I do 5 minutes? Of course you can. Tip 2. Repeat 1 phrase a day. 1 phrase. Just 1. Maybe, how are you today? Can you help me? Let me think. I'm not sure. Repeat it 5 times. Say it in the mirror. Say it in your room. Say it in your mind. 1 phrase a day equals 365 phrases in a year. Nice, right? Example. Today's phrase, I get it. Say it, I get it, I get it, I get it. Short, simple. Done. Tip 3. Make 1 English sentence about your life. Just 1 sentence. Example, I am tired today. I want coffee. I miss my friend. I like this song. Real life is the best teacher, because real life is real English. Ask yourself, can I say 1 sentence today? Yes, you can. Tip 4. Read for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, not 30, not 15. 3. Open a small article. Read a short message. Read easy English. Example. You read, Anna goes to the park. She sees a dog. The dog is happy. Simple stories are perfect. Your brain loves simple input. 3 minutes equals daily English food. Tip 5. Celebrate 1 small win every night. This is important. Many learners forget this, but celebration builds confidence. What is a small win? You listened, you repeated, you made a sentence, you read. Say to yourself, I did it. I made progress. I am proud. This feeling keeps you going. Example. Tonight, before sleep, say, today I studied 5 minutes. Good job. Feels nice, right? Small progress. Milestones. Let's talk results. What happens when you follow these steps? After one day, you feel good. You feel light. You feel proud. Your brain wakes up to English. You think, okay, I can do this. After 1 week, English becomes familiar. English feels less scary. You start to notice words. You start to remember phrases. Your brain says, oh yes, I know this. After 1 month, your rhythm becomes strong. Your habit becomes natural. You understand more. You speak with more ease. Maybe you still make mistakes. That is normal. But now you speak with more confidence, more peace, more flow. Can you imagine that? 1 month of small steps. Big change. Motivational encouragement. Let me tell you something. Learning English is like growing a plant. You don't water it once. You water it every day. A little water, a little sun, a little time, and suddenly you see a leaf, then another leaf, then a flower, then a strong plant. You are the same. Your English is the same. Small daily actions create big results. So when you feel tired, remember this. You don't need to climb the whole mountain today. Just take one small step. One step is enough. One step is progress. One step is powerful. You are not slow. You are growing. You are learning. You are building something beautiful. I am here with you. Every step, every episode, every moment you choose English. You are not alone. And you can do this. I believe in you. But the most important thing is this. You believe in you. Take it slow. Take it easy. But take it every day. Practical, daily life applications. Let's make it real. How can you use these habits in real life? Here are simple examples. Morning. You listen for 5 minutes while brushing your teeth. Easy. Hands free. Brain active. Afternoon. You choose one phrase. Maybe you say, I need a break. You repeat it when you feel tired. Your body rests. Your English grows. Evening, you make one sentence. I cooked rice today. Great. Real life. Real English. Before bed, you read for 3 minutes. A story. A message. A short news article. And then you celebrate. You smile. You say, I did English today. See? Simple. Natural. Human. English fits inside your day. English does not fight your day. Everyday English becomes everyday progress. Quick recap. Let's review the top steps. Listen 5 minutes every morning. Repeat one phrase every day. Make one English sentence about your life. Read for 3 minutes. Celebrate one small win every night. These steps are small. These steps are simple. These steps work. Warm closing message. My friend, you did amazing today. You learned something important. You showed up. You gave your time. You gave your focus. That is not small. That is big. That is powerful. Remember, your English grows with small steps, daily steps, gentle steps. And I am here with you. Every week, every episode, every moment you choose to learn. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this show grow, and it helps more learners find confidence, just like you. Take care, stay strong, stay curious, and keep practicing. You've got this. I believe in you. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.